The Indian Army said that the Chinese People's Liberation Army soldier who was detained on January 8th was handed back to China at Chushul, Moldova at 10:10 a.m. on Sunday. Amid the ongoing border tensions, the Indian Army apprehended a Chinese soldier on the Indian side of the line of actual control near the south bank of Pangong Tso in Ladakh on Friday. The PLA soldier had transgressed across the LAC and was taken into custody by Indian troops deployed in this area. Troops from either side are deployed along the LAC since friction erupted last year due to unprecedented mobilization and forward concentration by Chinese troops, the army said in a statement on Saturday. India and Chinese troops are locked in a tense border standoff in eastern Ladakh for over 8 months. The face-off began in May last year, following a clash between the two sides in the Pangong Lake area. Despite several levels of dialogue, there has not been any breakthrough and the deadlock continues. 2 weeks ago, the Defense Ministry in its year-end review had stated that PLA escalated the situation at the LAC in eastern Ladakh by the utilization of unorthodox weapons and amassing large number of troops. The ministry said that Chinese made unilateral and provocative actions to change the status quo by force in more than one area on the LAC. Thereafter, India responded in a firm and non-escalatory way, ensuring the sanctity of claims in eastern Ladakh. India has categorically conveyed to China that any attempt to unilaterally alter the status quo at the border is unacceptable and that India is determined to protect its sovereignty and territorial integrity. News Desk, Kaumudy English.